Hey team, hey friends, hey fam, Angel checking in with a real brief video. Don't worry, I'm completely safe. The phone is on the mount, eyes are on the road. Just sharing some information. Two things. Heather asked me yesterday on if a customer says that what if you don't want to shop every month? I think what the question was. So here's a quick tip on it. So every month you're shopping at a supermarket, and a lot of the products that you buy at a supermarket that are consumable, you're already buying them. So remember, we're not adding to their budget, we're simply switching stores. So what's going to help overcome that objection is making sure that, as Michelisa said yesterday, that you want to make sure that you do the checklist with them. And when you do the checklist, you want to do the products individually. So example, when you're at the laundry section, do you use laundry detergent? Do you use whitener? Do you use softener? You want to make sure you read them out individually. What will happen is they check off on their side, and the goal is to make their checklist really big. Example, I had a lady the other day, she scored 1,300. I had another one scored 900. So listen to this. If you take 900 and you divide it by the minimal, which is 35 points, that gives you a number. That means you would shop at Mela for about 27 months and not repeat a single product. So that's the advantage of doing the checklist properly and when you're on the phone with them. And it's cool for you to do one yourself. Take your time doing it. Check off each product. See how high you can get your number, your score, and whatever the number is, divided by 35 points, which is the minimum. And then from there, it gives you the amount of month that you could actually shop in Mela without actually picking a single double product. All right, so that's the thing on that for when you're handling objections. When it comes to what if I don't want to shop every month? They are shopping every month anyway on those products, is the bottom line. So that's a quick nugget for building up your checklist to be high when you're doing the information sharing. The second thing you guys want to do is get focused on, let's see if everybody can get on 2 overviews today. Find 2 people that you can share the information with. If you're not sure how to share it, just reach out to me, and if I'm available, I'll do the 1, 2, 3, go green. I'll show them the 2-minute video, and I'll also do the checklist together with them, with you on the phone, on the 3-way, and I'll also do the overview. And then at the end, they're either going to be a 1, which is shop and save. That's one category. Category 2, some of them want to make 1,000 to 3,000 per month. And category 3 is someone that wants to make significant income, 5,000 or more. So any questions you guys have, reach out to me anytime. Have a great day. Let's get promo qualified. Let's get 2 people just to share the information.